Alright everyone, welcome back to another unboxing of the Funko Disney Treasures subscription service. And this will actually be the last one because Funko announced that they are ending this subscription service with this box. So this is the last one and it is themed to adventure. So let's go ahead, open it up and see what is inside. Alright, so as always there is a pen and a patch available. And for this one we have Peter Pan on the patch. And then we have Robin Hood on the pen. So let's see what treasures are inside this box. And whoa, boy. Look at the size of this. Wow. All right, so what we got here is a... Let me try to get the box out of the way. This is big. We got a Pop Rides figure from the Rescuers, and it is Orville with looks like Miss Bianca and Bernard on the back there. Wow, this thing is huge. It might be one of the biggest pop vinyls they had in this whole Disney Treasures service. There's a look at the back of it there. Although Maleficent was pretty big too. Wow, this is awesome. Let's open it up and take a closer look. So some assembly is required. Of course, it's a very, once you attach the wing, it's very wide, so they had to keep the wings separate. But once you open it up, you can just pop it right in, as I'm going to do. There we go. So there's the figure, fully attached there. It is huge. It's got a good weight to it. Even detailed right there. They're in the sardines can. There's their luggage and the matchsticks. So cool. So cool. Alright, so next up here we have a luggage tag. It is a luggage tag that has a pop version of Stitch on it. Opened it up here and you can get a good close look at it here. Bendy. Yeah, just a nice little luggage tag. I might put this on my luggage when I go to Disneyland Paris in a couple months. Alright, what else we got here? Alright, we got the Mystery Mini, and then of course you get a separate sticker from the one that's on top of the box. But looking at the tin for the Mystery Mini here, of course, it's pretty obvious this is going to be themed to The Incredibles. Of course, The Incredibles 2 is coming out this summer, so this will be a good tie-in. And inside we have Elastigirl, Mrs. Incredible. A little Mystery Mini of her. Does not stretch, but I don't expect, these little vinyl figures to do that. So yeah, very cool. Nice little way to promote Incredibles 2, and that's the 2 logo right there. So there we go. This is everything that is in... Oh, sorry, Mrs. Incredible. This is everything that is in the final Disney Treasures box themed to adventure. Now, like I said earlier, Funko has ended the Disney Treasures subscription service, so you can no longer subscribe. But if you have been subscribed in the past, you're able to go on to DisneyTreasures.com and order any of the past boxes. If you want to get if you want to get more of what you've gotten in the past on the Disney Treasures, you can go onto there and log in, but only if you have been subscribed in the past. You can't do it if you haven't bought any of the boxes before. But sad to see Disney Treasures end because we got a lot of awesome, cool pop vinyls, which actually I will bring them down right now, and let's take a look at all the pop vinyls that came out. Alright, so this is the complete collection of pop vinyls that came through all of the Disney Treasures boxes for the past year and a couple months. It's not everything. Of course, there were some Dorbs and some other Mystery Minis and things that you got in the boxes, but these are just all the main pop vinyls. So you got Smee, Tinkerbell, Bambi, Pluto, Maleficent, Dumbo, and Timothy, Ariel and Eric, and then of course this one had the Rescuers with Orville, Miss Bianca, and Bernard. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to go check out all the past boxes and all the unboxings for those, go to attractorsmagazine.com and go to our news site, and you can find all the unboxings there and on our YouTube channel. So thanks so much to Funko for sending us these boxes to be able to review and unbox for you guys, and we look forward to seeing the future of Funko's pop vinyls.